Hello everyone, this is Soumya and you're watching Global Tales. I think it's very important to set a goal for yourself because by setting a goal, you actually motivate yourself a little harder to achieve it. However, I think that it's much more important to understand that the goal that you are setting for yourself gives you a long-term happiness and a long-term result. So being on a fitness journey doesn't mean setting a weight loss goal for yourself. Rather, it means increased level of stamina, increased excitement of doing a workout, increased happiness that you get after doing a workout and feeling light. Being fit and being immune to all the diseases is the real goal of our fitness journey. The prerequisite of this workout session today is a beautiful smile that you need to carry all throughout the routine.
As most of you requested for a Zumba workout video and a video on how to reduce your lower portion, I am up with a routine that will club both Zumba workout as well exercises that will focus on lower portion of your body. So I hope you will find it useful. Before heading towards the video, I would request you all to please like, share and subscribe to my channel and share this video with all your friends and family so that I get motivated and bring good content for you all. So yeah, without wasting any more time, let's get into the video.
As I told you earlier, warm-up is really very important. So no matter what kind of workout you do, you just need to warm up your muscles before heading towards it. It's a very simple beginner's level Zumba routine which comprises of 8 simple sets and each set comprises of 2-step choreography. You just need to follow this routine for the very first day and then increase the number of sets by 1 every next day.
very good results. So that's it for this video. I hope you find it useful. If you have any questions regarding your healthy lifestyle, fitness journeys, I'm just a comment away. Just comment below and ask me, or even you can mail me. My mail ID is soumyaluhadia17@gmail.com. I will respond to your mail as soon as possible. So that's it for this video. If you like it, don't forget to give the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below, and share this video with your friends, family and everyone out there, because your subscription and your sharing gives me motivation to bring new content for you. So that's it. Bye.